And head coach of the West Indies senior men's team, Darren Sammy, believes Afghanistan is the perfect opposition to play ahead of next month's T20 World Cup. With the biennial tournament set to take place across India and Sri Lanka, spin is expected to play a major part throughout the tournament. Speaking ahead of the three-match series against the Afghans in Dubai, Sammy says the tour is being used to work on execution on specific areas and to also have a look at players who could break into the squad. The Windies coach also had high praises for Afghanistan and their development pathway.
From the time they got international status, and yeah, like I said, it's a very good opposition, a team we respect very well. If you notice in franchise cricket now, they got probably some of the more sought after players, especially in the spin department. Very experienced, well led, and again, it's an opportunity for us as a T20 team, you know, like I said, to start integrating the experience with the youth and hopefully the different roles that has to be executed. You know, it's a great opposition to try that against heading into the World Cup. Yeah.
The first game against Afghanistan bowls off at 9:30 a.m. Jamaica time on Monday. The next two games will be played this Wednesday and Thursday.